Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Pavoni espresso machine, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. The lever is much easier to lift than it was. Hear the water entering the chamber. I'm just pre-infusing the coffee. My coffee is probably a little bit fine for this machine, but I can tell there's smooth action on the lever. This is a single basket. Get good crema. Let's test the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.